Welcome back to my channel Vidyabyasa. Today we are going to do workbook of English Mridang, Arya Publications, chapter 2 of unit 4. My name. Reading time. Let us read. Read the story with your teacher. Find out who said these words and to whom. So here few sentences are given and we need to say who said this to whom. Okay, we'll start doing it. And do you know my name? Who said this? Fly, right? It is fly. And to whom it was said? To ant. Because this sentence or phrase was used by fly to ant. And do you know my name? Okay. Next. Ask the cow sleeping in my shade. Who said this? Tree. Tree said this, right? Tree. And to whom it was said? It was said to fly. Next. You may ask the grass I eat. Who said this? Cow. And to whom it was said? It was said to fly. Right, children? If you remember the story. My name is Fly. Who said this? Fly himself remembered his name and said fly. To whom? To whom was it said? It said to leaf. Small confusion. Yes. My name is Fly. Who said it? The fly said it. And to whom? To leaf. Okay? Yes. Speaking time. Let us speak. Say aloud. Children, you need to read these words, okay? Shade, sleeping, went, fallen, answer, little, ant, tree, deer, grass, remember, tried, forgotten, climb, cow. Okay? Now, listening time. Let us listen. Listen to your teacher as she reads the story again. Number the things the fly reaches out to in the order that they appear in the story. Okay, if you remember the lesson, you can do it directly. Otherwise, you can keep the textbook as reference. Okay. Now, as I remember the story, so the fly first goes to ant. Okay. Isn't it so? Next, what does the ant say? Please go ask the tree which I climbed. So, then it goes to the tree. Then the tree answers, please ask the cow which is sitting under my shade. So third is cow. The cow answers, please go and ask the grass I eat. So fourth one is grass. Something is wrong with the pen I'm using, I think. I don't know. Okay, yeah. And the grass finally says, I don't know your name. Please ask the leaves which is fallen on me. So fifth one is leaf. Okay, children? Yes. Writing time. Let us write. Identify the animals whose sounds are all mixed up in the picture. So in this picture, the sounds of all animals are mixed up. We need to write which animal does which sound. Okay. First one. What is it? Meow. So we'll write that. Meow. Which animal does that sound, children? Cat. So we'll put a small dash here, right? Cat. Okay. Next. Quack. Which animal does that? First we'll write that. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack is duck. Correct. Next. Buzz. Which animal does that sound? It's not an animal, it's an insect. It's a bee. Next, Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi is done by bird. Chi. So, it's done by bird. Okay. Next, caw-caw. Caw-caw is done by crow. Correct. Crow caws. Roar. Which animal does that? Lion. Okay, children? Yes. Given below are a set of words. Put them under the correct heading. So, there are a lot of words given here and they have to be put in a group according to the BL, CL, FL, GL, PL, SL words. Okay. Now, blow, BL, blast, BL. We'll write those two under BL words. BL, O, W, blow, BL, A, S, G, blast. Okay. So what is the meaning of blow? Where the air comes out, like you blow the candle, the air comes out from your mouth, right? Correct. Next, blast. Blast is a kind of loud sound. Next, slow, SL word, right? So we'll write under the column SL. SL, O, W. What is the meaning of slow, children? When you're not fast, you're slow. Correct? Yes. Next, slop, SL word. So we'll write under SL words. Okay? Slop. What is the meaning of slop, children? Something very messy. Okay? Very messy, dirty, or like spilled over, like that. Next, glass. Always see first two letters. By that you get to know where this word should come under which column. Glass, GLASS. So under GL words. GLASS. What is a glass, children? You know, right? What is a glass? We say glass for tumbler also. For drinking juice, water, we use glass. The other thing is, a glass is something which is used in the windows, which is transparent. For that also we say glass. Correct? Yes. Next, gloom, GL word. So we'll write here GLOOM, gloom. Darkness. Gloom is the weather is gloomy today. It is dark today. Okay? Like that. Next, clown. It's CL words. Where is CL? It's here. Clown is a joker. Okay? Simple. Flower. FL words. Flower, you know what it is. I need not explain. Correct? Plot. PL words. PL O T. Plow. Again, that is PL words. PL O W. Now, what is plot, children? It's a small piece of land, okay? And plow means it's a tool or a machine which we use to plow the fields, which is used in fields, okay? Next, flash, FL words. Flash. It's just a sudden bright light, okay? We have flash in our camera also, in our phones also, right? For using camera. Yes. Next. Slurp, SL words. SLURP. Slurp. Slurp means to drink or eat making some sound, okay? Yes. Next, clap. CL words. You know what is clap? Flow. FL words. FLOW. Flow. To move smoothly, okay? Something which moves very smoothly. The river is flowing like that, okay? Calm is not the word suitable for this exercise, children, because it has to be CL or BL, FL, but it is CA. So it's a printing mistake. We need not do this. Glow. GL words. GL. Glow is the brightness. Okay. Plate. PL words. You know what is a plate. Correct. Black. Black is the color. BL words. Black. So only this word is missing because it's a printing mistake. Now think of one word each that begins with BL. What we'll write for BL? We'll write it as blanket. BLANKET. Blanket, and we'll underline BL. Okay. CL. Class. CLASS. And CL is what we need to underline. FL. Floor. What is flour? With what you make chapati and all, right? That kind of ingredient which is used to make chapati is called as flour. Okay. In simple words, the ingredient which you use for making chapati is called as flour. Okay. Now GL words. Glue. Glue is nothing but gum. PL. Plus. 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 What is plus? The symbol. SL. Slip. SLIP. Okay? Yes, children. Read the following phrases. Colorful feathers. Beautiful peacock. The words colorful and beautiful tell us about feathers and peacock. They are describing words. What are describing words, children? Anything like any object or animal or anything which has its own unique thing, like, or you just describe it. Now, a beautiful girl. So, beautiful is a describing word about the girl. Now, a yellow mango. So, mango is yellow. How do you describe a mango? It is round in shape. It is yellow in color. Not exactly round, but like that. Green apple. Green is a describing word. Okay. Now, a long way. So, the long is the description or describing word. Okay. Whatever the word which is used to describe an object or something is called as describing words. Okay. With examples you will understand. Choose a describing word and fill in the blanks below. Now, here you can see a toffee or a candy. Which color it is? It is red in color. Red toffee, red color toffee, or a round toffee. So, red color or round or sweet, tasty, these are describing words. Okay. Now, knife. Sharp, sharp knife. Means sharp is a describing word of the knife. Okay. Now, we'll see. There are options given here. Dash candy. What candy? Hard, soft, long, sharp, sweet, big, salty, loud. Sweet candy. So, this is the describing word which we need to write. Sweet candy. Whale. Whale will be big. So, big whale. So, big is the describing word. Dash snake. Long snake. Okay. Snakes will be long, right? pillow. How will the pillow be? It will be soft. Soft pillow. Drum. What do we write? Loud drum. Loud drum. Because when the drum is beaten, loud sound will come. Dash brick. Hard brick. Because bricks will be hard, right? Hard brick. Dash popcorn. Salty popcorn. Popcorn will be salty. So here salty popcorn. Dash knife. Sharp knife. As I said you before only, sharp knife. So these are the describing words, children. So in short, describing words tell us more about a person, a place, animal or a thing. Okay? So those are called describing words, children. Yes. Fun time. My name. The story is about a little fly. Of the things given below, circle and color the ones that are little. First of all, what is this? It's an elephant. This, it's a snail. This is an ant. This is a tiger. So amongst these four animals, which is the smallest one or the little one? So they've asked color the ones that are little. Definitely it is ant. So we'll color this, okay? Picture perfect. Let's understand a picture. Look at the picture and describe it in your own words. Use as many describing words as you can. Okay, children, let's begin. First, let's see the picture. What and all are there? There's a beautiful scenery here. It has a waterfall. There are rocks, lot of greenery. There are birds. So we'll just start writing, okay? Yes. This is a beautiful nature picture. Okay. There is a waterfall flowing down in between the big brown rocks. Next we'll describe about water. The water looks clean and blue. Okay. There are many green tall trees and big bushes. Okay. Two colorful birds are flying happily the sky looks bright this place looks very peaceful. Okay, yes, we'll underline the describing words. So this is a beautiful nature picture, isn't it? So this is a nature picture and it is very beautiful. So we'll underline the describing words. There is a waterfall flowing down in between the big brown rocks. There's a waterfall flowing down in between. In between means in middle of the big brown rocks. So here the big brown is describing the rocks. The water looks clean and blue. See, the water looks clean and blue. So here the description or the describing words of water are clean and blue. There are many green tall trees and big bushes. So we are now describing trees and bushes. So green tall describes trees, big describes bushes. Two colorful birds are flying happily. Colorful, happily are description of birds. The sky looks bright. So now we are speaking about sky which looks bright. This place looks very peaceful. Peaceful is the describing word of this place. Yes, children, I hope you understood. By this we come to an end of this chapter in the workbook. If you like my teaching, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.